Salam and good day everyone. We are in the object-oriented programming subject. We are here for not taking you too complicated. So, just sit back and take a relax before we move on. Okay guys. We are in the first module of the subject, which is the introductions chapter. Expected outcome of the first module are: understand the basic concepts and terminologies that commonly used in object-oriented programming. The second expectation is a hope that you will appreciate the advantages of object-oriented programming. But, before we start, let's take a look on the prerequisite, before you're eligible to take this subject. We advise you to be familiar with programming techniques using any programming language such as C language. This is because, we will not revise the syntax of the programming language in detail. Besides that, you must know about object-oriented design, especially on the UML class diagram. The class diagram will be used throughout our teaching module. Okay, that's the only things to be ponder before we starts. This course provides an introduction to the concepts of object orientation and object-oriented programming techniques, using any object-oriented programming language, such as Java. We will emphasize on the use of object-oriented programming characteristic. The characteristics that expose you to UML design. Class and object, inheritance, polymorphism, exception handling and graphical user interface. As well as the event-driven programming. There are 12 modules in the subjects. We starts with the introduction, which is this module. Then, followed by the second module on how to create your own class. The third module is on the class constructors, methods, arguments and encapsulations. Array and exception handling is the fourth module. Module 5 is about class relationship. Then, followed by the inheritance on module 6. The seventh module on the polymorphism. Then, module 8 is about the abstraction. Interface is the ninth module. Module 10 is on the graphical user interface and the event handling. Module 11 is about database. And the last module will introduce you to software design pattern.